So are you ready to draw with me today? So today I'll be finishing off this owl painting, so I hope you like it, and let's get started. And I will be using color pencils and watercolor pencils. And if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And you can also connect with me through other social media like my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. All that information is in the description box below for you. So I'm going to start off with different colors of color pencils, and I'm also going to be using some felt pens as well as watercolors as well, watercolor pencils. So then let's get started. there you go. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment for me. So this is the full color drawing, and if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below to buy products with this drawing on, and I have a lot for you to choose from, so check it out, and different kinds and varieties of products as well. And now I put some next videos for you to check out next, including a playlist. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you can request anything for me to draw or to do by commenting below. If I can do it, I will definitely do it for you. And stay tuned for more other videos as well, and I hope you're enjoying these videos. So then have a great day. Bye.